have Steve Boswell here from Butlerville,
Indiana.
Indiana. Steve just completed with flying colors our Detail Czar 3-day private certified detailer training program. And it's Sunday now, and Steve's been here since Friday. So Steve, well, what was your objective for coming to the training this weekend?
Just get the experience and finding a new process, and I think you guys over exceeded my expectations. I mean, it's been mind blowing the process that you guys.
Oh, that's really glad to hear. I really appreciate that. What did you think of Friday's business class? I mean, you've owned many businesses, so you probably knew a lot of the things that we talked about. But what we did talk about and discuss that day, do you think that'll help you with your new detailing business?
Absolutely. I mean, the business part, yeah, and all the legalities I kind of was familiar with, but the marketing is, yeah, Nick. I mean, I can't say enough on what you taught me.
It's excellent.
You're probably going to get some phone calls from me because I'm not.
That's what I'm here for, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
What did you think of the hands-on training this weekend? Saturday was the paint correction, ceramic coating training. Today we did the interior detailing, ceramic coating, and the headlight restoration.
I thought it was awesome. Chase and Cole, they were just amazing instructors, and it's an experience I'll never forget, and just amazing. Like I said, you guys went above and beyond and blew my mind with this experience. So
excellent.
Well worth the money.
Thank you so much. You're a great student. Did a great job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank
guys.
you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.